Good morning, guys. So this is my first fishing session since the river season opened back up for course fishing. I have been busy. I bought a camper van, but we're going to do a video for that later on this week. So we're out with Geddes from Man and Rod.
Hey guys.
And we are hopefully targeting chub today, so fingers crossed we can get some chub on bank for you guys. And this is the location today, looking prime. Let's see how we do. Geddes is getting me doing some sketchy shit this morning.
But we still need to work in to a best spot.
Don't think they're into top water, so.
Yep.
Oh, good man.
That's a big one.
That's a good one.
That's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'll get my net, hang on. That's a decent fish. Oh, no way. I saw that. That was nice. That was a nice fish. No way. Well, I think we need to go that side of that tree now. Oh, it come off.
No. Good one?
Yeah, it took well. Yeah, bastard. Oh, they're there, Geddes, they're there. My heart went then. So guys, Geddes hooked into what looked like a decent chub, to be fair, but it came off, and I couldn't tell you what size mine was, because as soon as it got hold of it and I put strike on, it came off. That's how it goes sometimes. So I'm moving a bit further down. Geddes is fully committed to getting these chub up here, look. Bless him. But yeah, I'm going to move further down. This looks pretty good down here, so let's see how we do. Oh! Yep. I couldn't tell you. Top water. Yeah. It's good, whatever it is. I just need to get it out of that fast water. This ultralight rod is I mean, it's not necessarily forced to be that big. It's a chub.
Chub?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's there, look. Do you want to get your net?
Yeah.
Yes!
Look at this.
Is it a good one, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, baby, that'll do for me. Yes, man.
Yes, man.
In that fast water there, I knew it looked good for chub.
Now you're enjoying my spot?
Yeah, man. That's a beast.
Wow.
That is a beast. I should have brought my scales and we could have given that away. That put up some tug in that fast water.
Okay.
Right, let's get it in up anyway. So guys, first chub of the, have you got all of that net, yeah? Of the open season, and to say I'm happy is an understatement. An absolute beast is that. So happy. In this fast water as well, so we're going to get this one back. Oh, there you go. Bullet, like a bullet.
Fantastic,
Yes.
bro.
Top water in that fast water as well. Ecstatic. On. Top water, that were a good strike and all. It's a nice size one. It's not as big as the last one, it's alright though. Oh, it's bigger. It's even bigger. Look at that. That's a tank.
What? Look at the mouth.
Look at the belly on it. They pre-spawn as well. Post-spawn. Whoa, post-spawn.
I got scared.
So, second chub. I'd say it's a little bigger.
Maybe by 1 centimeter. But much
But it's
chunkier.
a beast. I'm pretty chuffed with that, to say the least. It's a lovely fish. Yep.
Oh.
Top water fishing is just the best. Get in the back. There she goes. Yes. Yes. Boom. On. I felt it take it twice.
They're much smaller, yeah?
No, it feels alright. No, I don't think it's as big, to be fair. I don't know, it's not bad.
That's good, that's good. Not as monster as previous, but not as fat.
I don't know.
Hey!
I don't know, it's alright.
All of a monster.
That could be a big one. That could be possibly the biggest. Well, another one. I'm pretty chuffed today. Today's going well for me. My fishing as of late has not been the best. But there she is. Wow. Geddy seems to think this is the biggest of the day.
Yeah, it is.
I'm sceptical, but
No, it is. I know. I measured all 3 fish, and I know.
I know where she goes. She's come for a close-up.
He has no
Gone
words.
backwards, that, yeah. That's all that matters. Yes!
Well
I
done.
got water all down back of my things then. Yeah man, perfect. What a day. Loving it. Med up, good spot.
I'm so happy,
Yeah,
you know, I
man.
brought you here and you actually caught these fish.
Let's see if we can make it 4. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So not a bad start. Hopefully you've had a trout.
Yeah, one trout
And a small chub.
and missed one good.
I lost one. I lost one, and then I've had 3 pretty decent chubs, so I'm pretty happy. If nothing else happens today, I'm done. I'm happy. So yeah, we're going to try one last spot. It's only a short session today, guys. We've got till about 9 o'clock.
But that's enough.
Life commitments get in the way, unfortunately. But yeah, let's see if we can get some more fish for you guys. So guys, that is it from us today. Like we said, a short session. What did you get? You got a trout, a little chub.
Yeah, not much.
And I managed three reasonably good chub. Pretty impressed with them, yeah. So like I say, it's my first session since the course season opened back up. I have been super busy just recently, but yeah, we're leaving it there today. And don't forget, guys, if you like the content I'm putting up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's totally free and it massively helps my channel. Take care, guys.